Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now. Press Windows plus R, paste %appdata %\Apple computer /mobile sync /backup, and hit Enter. Once the folder opens, make sure hidden files are visible so app data items appear. You do this because backups live inside app data, not documents. This saves time. If the folder is empty, close iTunes and disconnect your iPhone, then refresh. Make sure you're signed into the same Windows user account that created the backup. Otherwise, you won't see it. Once done, scan the folder for long alphanumeric folder names. Those are individual backups. You should sort by date modified because that reveals which folder matches the timestamp you expect. Then open iTunes, go to Edit, Preferences, Devices, and compare the listed backup dates to the folders you saw. This confirms which folder belongs to your device. If a backup is encrypted, iTunes will show a lock icon. Make note of that, since encrypted backups require a password to restore. Now copy the matched backup folder to an external drive or another safe location. You want a byte-for-byte copy before making changes. To restore, reconnect the iPhone, open iTunes, and choose Restore Backup, picking the date you identified. If things go wrong, check one key troubleshooting tip. Enable hidden items in File Explorer and confirm you're using the same Windows user account. If backups still don't appear, update iTunes and restart Windows. Then recheck the app data backup path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.